Hello from Kitchen is Us. The secret of being an amazing chef in your own kitchen. This measuring spoons come in United States of America and metric measurements. Their sizes range from a quarter teaspoon, equal to 1.25 milliliter. Half teaspoon, equal to 2.5 milliliter. 1 teaspoons, equal to 5 milliliter. Half tablespoon equal to 7.5 milliliter, and 1 tablespoon equal to 15 milliliter. They have a comfortable and high-temperature resistant silicone rubber, which can be removed for cleaning and maintenance. The measurements are engraved and will never rub off. Long-lasting quality, good enough for a few generations. They are held together with an easy on-off clip for individual use. With this measuring spoons you will get your cooking bragged about. They are quality stainless steel utensils with engraved sizes that will help you select the correct amounts of ingredients, no matter where your recipes come from. This little quintuplets make the perfect addition to your beloved kitchen. All you have to do is concentrate in reading your recipe, start mixing, add your ingredients and place your goodies in the oven. And of course, don't forget to call the family and friends.